Today, we will unbox and demonstrate the LG 28-liter microwave. First, we will remove the staple pin from the box. Upon opening the box, we will find the accessories, which include a glass tray and a turntable ring. Next, we will remove the plastic bag covering the microwave. Inside, we will find the owner's manual along with the microwave. Once we take the microwave out of the box, we will see an easy and safe guide that provides important safety instructions and usage information, such as not using metal objects while using micro mode. There is also a QR code on the guide. Scanning this will take you to a YouTube video demonstrating the unpacking and installation process. Once we open the microwave door, we will find additional accessories, including a rotisserie bar and handle, a high and low rack, a multi-cook tower, and a milk tank. Additionally, at the beginning of the unboxing process, we will find a ring and a glass tray inside a separate package. We need to place these inside the microwave properly. Ensure that the glass tray is securely fixed onto the turntable ring and shaft for smooth operation. Before using the microwave, refer to the quick reference guide. As per the instructions, plug the power cord into a dedicated 15-amp power socket. Do not use an extension board to avoid sparking issues. Never run the microwave while it is empty. Only use microwave-safe utensils such as a glass bowl. When you press the start key, it will run at full power in microwave mode for 30 seconds. To stop the process, press the stop button once. To cancel the process completely, press the stop button again. If you need to adjust the time while cooking, use the knob to increase or decrease it. For micro mode, press cook mode and adjust power and time using the knob. For grill mode, press twice and adjust time using the knob. For convection mode, press 3 times and adjust temperature and time using the knob. For combination mode, press 4 times to use both microwave and grill together, adjusting time using the knob. For auto cook mode, refer to the owner's manual. You can also scan the QR code for detailed instructions on multiple cooking functions. As per the quick reference guide, ensure proper ventilation. Maintain 10 cm space on the left, right, and back sides, and 30 cm space on the top. Follow the quick reference guide for correct usage of microwave accessories. Pay attention to the red and green marks on accessories to ensure proper placement. If you need further assistance, you can contact our support team or visit our official website.